Hey there, apartment investors. Today I'm diving into a crucial topic, how to ensure your tenants can pay rent. Let's talk about assessing financial stability and rent affordability. First up, income verification. Always request recent pay stubs, employment verification letters, or tax returns. This helps you confirm the tenant's income and evaluate if they can afford the rent. Remember, verified income equals reliable data. Next, employment stability. Look for a solid work history, long tenure with the same employer, or consistency in their profession. Stable employment means a steady income stream, which is key for ongoing rent payments. Don't forget about alternative income sources. If your tenant has freelance work or rental income, ask for supporting documents like 1099 forms or bank statements. Verify these additional sources to get the full financial picture. Now let's talk numbers. The industry standard income-to-rent ratio is 3:1. This means the tenant's monthly income should be at least 3 times the monthly rent. It ensures they can manage rent without stretching too thin. But be flexible. If your property is in a competitive market or your tenant has extra financial support, you might adjust this ratio slightly. Debt-to-income ratios are also important. Review the tenant's monthly debt obligations, credit cards, loans, etc. Lower ratios mean greater financial flexibility and a higher likelihood of consistent rent payments. Employment verification is another layer of assurance. Contact the tenant's employer to confirm job title, employment duration, and salary. This adds extra confidence in their income stability. For freelance or seasonal workers, additional documentation is key. Ask for tax returns or client contracts to ensure consistent income over time. To wrap it up, let's take an example. Review your tenant's pay stubs and tax returns to confirm their reported income. Calculate the income-to-rent ratio. If it meets the 3:1 standard, great. Your tenant is likely to cover rent without financial strain. That's all for now, folks. Remember, thorough financial assessment is your best bet for consistent rental income. Happy investing.